Most people have just one bank account. Money comes in, and money goes out. And somewhere in between, they wonder, where did it all go? Your bank account is not a financial strategy. It's just a container. When everything is in one pile, your brain has no idea what's safe to spend. So you spend it, all of it. 3 accounts, each with a specific job. Account 1, your salary account. This is where your income lands. Cover rent, utilities, groceries, and monthly bills. That's it. Everything else should not sit here. Money without a purpose gets spent on things without a purpose. Think of it like a runway you pass through. You don't park here. Account 2, your emergency fund. This account has one rule. Do not touch it unless something has genuinely gone wrong. Job loss, medical emergency, major unexpected expense. Not a sale, not a flight, not a treat yourself moment. Park this in a money market fund or a high-yield savings account. Your target, 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This is protection, not growth. It turns a financial setback into something you can survive. Build this fund before you do almost anything else. Account 3, your investment account. This is where your future lives. Stocks, index funds, mutual funds, assets that grow over time. The key is consistency. You invest every single month. Not what's left over, what you decided in advance. Time in the market beats timing the market. Every month you delay is compounding you give up. Why does separation work? It's psychology. When you see 4 months of emergency savings, the anxiety fades. When you watch your investments grow, you stop seeing investing as sacrifice. When your salary account only holds bill money, impulse spending has nothing to grab. Separation removes the guesswork. You always know what to spend, what to save, and what builds your future. Separation creates discipline. Discipline creates wealth. Start with 3 accounts.